In this video, we will look at solving problems using the cosine law. The cosine law. The cosine law can be used to solve a triangle that is not a right-angled triangle, but rather an acute or an obtuse angle, very similar to the sine law. Here's an example. For any triangle ABC, the cosine law states a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos of A. Notice that the side A matches the cos of the angle A. That's important when knowing what formulas that you would be using. B squared is equal to a squared plus c squared minus 2ac cos B. And what would the third one be? C squared is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cos of C. A side length can be determined if the lengths of the other two sides and the measure of the contained angle are known. Side angle side. Contained means that the angle is between the two given sides. Or the angle measure can be determined if all three sides are known. Side, side, side. Now, here is a sample question. The lengths of a triangular property on Great Lake are 62.0 feet, 87.8 feet, and 118.8 feet. Determine the angles formed between the two sides of the triangular property to the nearest tenth of a degree. Here is an idea of what it should look like. Now, for the solution. For triangle ABC, the side lengths are A is 118.8 feet, B is 87.8 feet, C is 62.0 feet. Use the cosine law to determine the measure of angle A. Now, take the formula from the cosine, rearrange it. We'll get cos of A is equal to B squared plus C squared minus A squared, all divided by 2BC. Substitute in the values. Cos of A is equal to 87.8 squared plus 62.0 squared minus 118.8 squared, all divided by 2 times 87.8 times 62.0. Using your calculator, this is equal to negative 0.2351, and so on. That would give us the angle measure of A equal to 103.6030, and so on, degrees. Now, check for the ambiguous case. Given angle A, and A is greater than B, only one triangle is possible according to the rules we looked at earlier. Use the sine law to determine angle B. Sine B over 87.8 is sine of 103.6031, and so on degrees, which we found in the previous slide, all divided by 118.8. We would then cross multiply and get 87.8 times the sine of 103.60300 degrees divided by 118.8. Now, continuing on to find the value of angle B, sine B is equal to 0.7183. Angle B then would measure 45.9164 degrees. The next step is to find the measure of angle C. Keep in mind the sum of the angles in a triangle adds up to 180 degrees, so angle C would be 180 degrees minus the sum of 103.6030 ... degrees plus 45.9264 and so on degrees equals 30.4805 degrees, which can round off to 30.5 degrees. Now it's time to complete Project 1 Task 2 and make sure you have your Quiz 1 finished.